In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook not syncing email in Windows 10. If your inbox isn't updating or messages are stuck, we'll walk through a reliable sequence to repair Outlook, clear the right cache, and refresh your account so syncing can start working again. Begin by opening the Windows Control Panel, then go to Programs and Features. This is where Windows manages installed apps. If you don't see it right away, search for Control Panel from the Start menu and then choose Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, find your Microsoft Office or Outlook installation. Select it, click Change, and choose Quick Repair. Quick Repair runs locally, is fast, and fixes common Outlook issues without removing your data. Let it complete and keep Outlook closed while it works. Next, make sure Outlook is fully closed. Check the taskbar and the system tray to ensure it's not running in the background. Now press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. Type %local app data % plus Microsoft's Outlook and press Enter. This shortcut takes you straight to Outlook's local app data folder, where it stores various working files. Inside that folder, open the ROM cache folder. Select everything inside and delete the files. This clears temporary and cached data Outlook uses for things like connection metadata and autocomplete. Deleting these files is safe. It does not remove your mailbox or messages on the server. You're simply forcing Outlook to rebuild a fresh cache the next time it starts. Open Outlook and go to File, then Account Settings, and again Account Settings. In the Email tab, select the account that isn't syncing and click Remove. This detaches the account from your Outlook profile so you can set it up cleanly. If you use a POP account that downloads mail to a local PST file, make sure you've already backed that file up before removing the account. For most modern accounts like Microsoft 365, Outlook.com, Exchange, or IMAP, your mail stays on the server and will return when you sign back in. Finally, restart Outlook and add the account back. Sign in with your credentials and allow Outlook a few minutes to re-establish the connection and download your mailbox. Watch the status bar for all folders are up to date. Once syncing completes, test by sending yourself a message and confirming it appears on both your computer and any other device. That's it. By repairing Office, clearing ROM cache, and re-adding the account, you've reset the most common causes of Outlook not syncing in Windows 10.